Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Bootstrap 5 components for modern UI layouts, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update Bootstrap 5 components for modern UI layouts, start by gathering all necessary resources. Begin by reviewing the latest Bootstrap documentation. Download the latest version of Bootstrap from the official website. Link the Bootstrap CSS and JavaScript files in your HTML document. Create a new HTML file or open an existing project where you want to implement the updates. Identify the components you wish to modify, such as buttons, navbars, or cards. Examine the existing structure of these components in your current project. Refer to the Bootstrap documentation for guidelines on updated component classes and structures. Replace outdated classes in your HTML markup with the new Bootstrap 5 classes. For buttons, ensure you are using the new button styles and sizes as defined in the documentation. Update any form components to utilize the new design elements. For navbars, apply the new responsive utilities to ensure they look great on all devices. Test each updated component in your browser to see the changes. Utilize the built-in utility classes for spacing and alignment for a more modern look. Incorporate new JavaScript features introduced in Bootstrap 5 for interactive components. As you update, consider the usability and accessibility of each component. Check your site on various screen sizes to confirm responsive behavior. Make adjustments based on user feedback and personal preference. Once all components are updated, review your code for any potential optimizations. Document your changes for future reference or for other developers on your team. After completing the updates, conduct thorough testing to ensure everything functions as expected. Finally, deploy your updated project to see your modern UI layouts in action. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.